Good morning, Year 6. Today we're going to look at some money problems, but I thought we would look at it in a real life context because we use money every day. And it's really important that when we go out, when we go to the shops, when we go to a takeaway, we know what we're doing and we can handle money and we can work out prices. So here we are in the fish and chip shop. So you can see here that I've got a menu and they sell fish, chips, pies, kebabs, okay, lots and lots of extras, burgers, and we're going to see if we can answer some problems using this menu and our knowledge of money and working out. Okay, so first things first, problems are here in the corner. I would like a large fish with regular chips, says our first customer. If I pay with a £10 note, how much change will I get? So, this is a two-step problem, isn't it? This is two steps, okay? All right, so two-step problem. And we need to, first of all, look at the menu and think, right, how much is a large fish? So I'm going to look under the fish and then, oh, look, you see, these are all fish here, but I'm going to go for the first one, which is cod. That's the most popular one. So cod, a large one, is £5.40. Okay, so £5.40, and then I want a regular chips. So regular chips, let's go to the chips section. Okay, here we go, regular chips. Okay, well, I'm going to say, is that medium or is that low? Well, I'm going to go for medium being regular. So that's £1.50 for our chips. Okay, and then we're going to add them together. Simple addition. So 0 and 0, 4 and 5, which is 9. Don't forget your decimal point. 5 and 1 is 6. So we've got £6.90. So I'm just going to write that at the top. It's very difficult to write with a mouse, so I'm really sorry. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of that little bit, and then I've got a bit more space. Okay, so £6.90 is what I've spent. So the next thing we need to do is we need to think, right, I've got £10. So how much change am I going to get? Well, it's £10. Take away what I've spent, which is my £6.90. So I'm going to line up my money, line up my decimal points. 0 take away 0 is obviously 0, but 0 take away 9. Look, I can't do it. So what do? I have to go next door and exchange. But look, that's a 0 too. It is, trust me. I can't use that either. So I'm going to go next door and we're going to borrow one from there. So that then becomes 0, and then that becomes a 10. Cross that out, that becomes a 9. Then this becomes a 10. So 10 take away 9 is 1 decimal point. 9 take away 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is 3. And 0, and we've nothing here, so that's there. So our change is, remember this is pounds, £3.10. So the answer to the question is £3.10. Okay, don't forget your unit of measurement when you're working in money. Okay, so that's our first problem solved. Get rid of my working out. Okay, next customer. I am feeling very rich. What is the most expensive thing on your menu? So that's our first one. What is the most expensive thing on the menu? How much would it cost if we bought 2 of them? Okay, so I'm going to look very carefully on my menu and I'm looking for the biggest numbers, the highest amount. Let's have a little look. Oh, look what I found. This special mixed kebab. This is going to be a really special one because look, it's £10.45. So what is the most expensive thing that we have on our menu? Well, it's not asking for a price, it's asking for what it is. So our answer is the special mixed kebab. Now, what would happen if I bought 2 of them? How much would it cost? Well, that's £10.45. and we're going to double that. So basically I'm going to add it together because I think that's easiest. £10.45, £10.45, so that's 10. 4 and 4, 8, and 1 is 9. And we know that 10 and 10 is 20, so £20.90. That's an expensive takeaway, isn't it? So 2 of them would be 20. That is a pound sign, honestly. £20.90. Okay, excellent. We must always remember that if it's asking you what is or which, it's asking you for the name, it's not asking you for the price. Okay, our next customer says, must be quick, lots to do. I would like a doner meat and chips with a pickled egg and beans. Ugh, I'm not sure I'd want that for my lunch. So we want a doner meat and chips. Okay, well I saw that earlier, so that's here, doner meat and chips. I'm going to assume that he wants a big doner meat and chips, so that's £5.90. Let me just write that here. Let me make some notes. £5.90. Okay, and then he wants a pickled egg. A pickled egg, so that's an extra. So here we go, pickled egg, that is 70p. So I'm going to line it up, remember, 70p. There we go. And then we want beans as well. So again, beans is an extra. That's 90p. So then all we're going to do is we want to find the total. We're going to add them up. So 0, 0, 0, 9 and 9 is 18. Add 7. Okay, 25. Put my 2 down. 5. Add 2 is 7. So that's £7.50 all together. Oof, I'd be pretty full after that. Oh, excuse me. £7.50. Apologies about that. Right, okay, so what have we got here? Hi, I have these coins. What can I buy? So the first thing I have to do is I have to add up my coins. Let me just have a bit of working out space here. Okay. Ooh, zoom back out again. Okay, you have 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, 80. So £2.80, and I'm going to make a little note of that here. So I've got £2.80 to spend. Now this is a really open-ended question because there are lots of things that he could have for £2.80. I'm just having a little look. Is there anything that is £2.80 exactly? Not really. You've got all these children's meals that are £2.70, and then you would have change. You may want a pie, that's £2.70, and you've got 10p change. You might want let's have a little look. Oh, what sounds good? You might want a jumbo Savoy, that's a sausage, so you might want £1.40, and then, oh, can we afford to get some chips as well, medium chips perhaps? So what you need to do for this one then is you can choose anything you want as long as you don't go above your budget. And that's what happens to us sometimes when we go to the shop. We look at what we've got in our wallet or in our purses, and then we think, right, what can I afford? What can I get? You can't spend more than you have. So it's really important that you check your prices carefully and you add up your prices so that you know exactly what you're going to spend. Okay, so we're going to leave it there. What you are going to do now is you have got your own takeaway menu, and you have got some questions that are very similar to the ones that we've just answered together. So what you need to do now, you need to look at the menu very carefully and answer those questions and see what you could buy. Okay, I'll leave it there, Year 6. See you soon. Bye.